Today I'm going to teach you how to use Spotlight in Microsoft Teams meetings. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to highlight a specific speaker or presenter, ensuring that their video feed stays prominently displayed for all participants throughout the meeting. First, let's assume you're already inside a Microsoft Teams meeting with other people. You'll see the meeting interface with various controls at the top of your screen. This is where we'll begin making our adjustments to spotlight someone. Look toward the top of your screen and click on the People icon. This button opens up a panel that displays all the current participants in your meeting. It's a quick way to see everyone who's joined and manage their settings. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a list of all the meeting attendees displayed on your screen. Now, from this list of participants, select the person you want to spotlight. This could be the main presenter, a guest speaker, or anyone whose video you want everyone to focus on. Simply locate their name in the participant list. Once you've found the person you want to spotlight, click the three dots beside their name. These three dots represent a menu of options specific to that participant. When you click them, a drop-down menu will appear with several choices for managing that person's presence in the meeting. From this drop-down menu, click Spotlight for everyone. This action tells Teams that you want this person's video to be prominently featured for all meeting participants. It's particularly useful during presentations or when someone is sharing important information that requires everyone's attention. After clicking this option, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is Microsoft Teams' way of making sure you really want to apply this setting since it affects everyone's view in the meeting. The confirmation ensures you don't accidentally spotlight someone. In the confirmation dialog, click Spotlight for everyone again to confirm your choice. Once you do this, the selected participant's video will now be spotlighted for all attendees. Everyone in the meeting will see this person's video feed prominently, regardless of who else is speaking or has their camera on. And that's it. You've successfully spotlighted someone in your Microsoft Teams meeting, making sure all participants can clearly see and focus on the person you've highlighted. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.